Hey, what is up, you guys? This is Rob, and it is now time for a product review. So if you are like me, you like having a sense of security when you're driving. You never know what's going to happen. And a big part of that security is having a dash cam on your car, so that in case of an accident or anything else, you have it on camera. So with that, I want to say thank you to FitCamX. So they actually sent me over this dash cam so that I could do a review on it. So this dash cam is for my 2022 Tacoma 𝗣𝗍𝗂 Off-Road. However, they do sell this dash camera for other makes and models of cars, so make sure to go on their website and check it out. So the whole point of this dash cam is it's supposed to be a nice stealthy setup, one that you won't really, be able to see and that won't distract you while you're driving. And also a nice easy way to connect to your car, no having to splice or anything like that. So let's go ahead and let's open it up and let's see what we got. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and let's open this up. So while this model is for my 2022 Tacoma, do remember this is also available for a lot of other cars out there, so make sure to go ahead and check out your make and model on their website. It is 4K compatible, which is pretty nice, as right there on the box. And what I also really like about it is you can actually download an app on your smartphone, which you can then use to watch footage. It will connect to your camera via Wi-Fi. So then you can wirelessly transmit the footage you record, which is, it's always a really nice thing to be able to do. And the name of the game is, of course, getting that stealth look. It's that factory look. This isn't gonna look like when you see other cars where they have the actual dash cam kind of stuck on the windshield to the side. Some people might not like that for a security reason, or they just want a nice clean look, no obstructions on the windshield. So let's go and let's open this up. So here it is, let's take it out of the bag. And check this out. So this will be replacing the plastic piece that is actually on a Tacoma right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's get a little bit closer. So check that out. As you can see, the lens is right here. So it will basically be sitting up on the windshield like this, so that way it can see forward. Here is the microphone for it as well. It does have a lot of nice little things on it. So it does also come with a micro SD card. So let's see, it comes with a 64 gigabyte, which is pretty cool of them to give you. Usually when you buy these dash cameras, you don't get one. So that is pretty cool of them. You do have the camera button here for quick snapshots, as well as the power button, nice and clicky. So this looks like a pretty nice, pretty nice piece of tech to install. Let's see what else we have in here. So then we also get the actual piggyback connector. So pretty nice to not have to worry about fuses or any of that kind of stuff. It's basically just going to use the factory plug-in for the power rearview mirror. Pretty cool. Also, it's come with a micro SD reader. Pretty cool of them. And a trim remover tool, of course, as well as the prong end for those pesky, the black plastic, rivets that will always break. So pretty nice of them to give that. And a manual. So yeah, that's the contents of the box. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I really don't see any issues with install. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to fast forward to the install, and I'll go ahead and show you guys how I installed it. We'll go ahead and show a bit of footage from it as well. Let's go ahead and let's get into that. All right, you guys, so now we're in the car. Let's go ahead and install the dash cam. So I had mentioned how you take off the plastic covering that was already there. So let me flip this around for you. So this is the covering that we're going to be removing. Just a very basic covering. It actually comes off pretty easy, so check this out. Just have to give it a little bit of force and it slides out, as you can see. Just some basic snap tabs. But more importantly, you see this cable right here? This is the cable that we're gonna be piggybacking. So here, I'm sorry, let me grab it. So this one right here. And that's what's gonna be piggybacking onto these cables. So let me go ahead and hook that up and then I will show you. All right, so let's go ahead and first unplug this. Now let's go ahead and get this cable. So as you can see, the foam doesn't come off, so that's why I was leaving it on. So one end is going to go into this one. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Perfect. And then this one, go right in here. It's just your basic piggyback plug, which is really nice because then you don't have to worry about splicing or anything. Let's see. Sorry guys. I have one hand holding the camera. Let's free this up. There we go. All right. There we go. So that's plugged in. So this is actually the power cable. So this is going to connect to this power cable that's already connected to the dash cam. So let's go ahead and we're going to plug that in right now. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to take this here, plug this in. There we go. It's now powered, so now we're going to go ahead and pretty much the same way that the other one came off, this cover is going to go on. Alright you guys, in the driver's seat, everything is installed. It was a little bit tricky to fit all the wires in there, but I got it to work. So now we are going to go ahead and start it up. Let's see if we get any audible noise. Let's see. No noise. Oh. That's because, there we go. There we go. So now we have these little lights are lighting up right here, indicating that we are good to go. Sorry, let me turn that off. There we go. Okay. So now it's recording. So as you can see, it's going blue to red. That's because now it wants to sync. Let's go ahead and show you guys how we sync it up with the app. Alright you guys, so we got the camera going and we're going to open up the app FitCamX. So you do want to use the instruction manual to connect the camera. Actually connected pretty well, so here we go. We're going to do connect camera right now. And there we go, check that out. That is what is in front right now. So as you can see, everything is working. I can pause, take a snapshot. Look at that. Access the camera files and the settings. So let's go through the settings really quick. Sound recording, you can have that on or off. So look at that, now it's on. Video resolution. So you can have this wide gamut of choices. So I always prefer 1080. Loop recording options, of course. Exposure, time, driving collision. So this is the G sensor. So usually when it works, it's like, say the car detects it got some, like it got hit, right? It detects an intense vibration. It'll basically lock that video file in the card so you don't accidentally erase it. You don't need it. I mean, in a truck, it's going to be, it sounds to be pretty substantial to make it trigger, but just leave it on anyways. The Wi-Fi name and the password, you can format the card from here. Remember, it does come with the 64 gigabyte. So pretty cool. So now let's see how the actual footage is. Alright you guys, so we're just going on a quick jaunt around the neighborhood. This is through the audio from the camera also, so you can also get a feel for how it sounds. Usually all these dash cams are relatively the same, so we're just going to drive around for a minute or two. Let's go around the neighborhood. Usually all these cameras, the quality's just going to stay the same, so as you can see, it looks pretty good. Once again, it's pretty cool that they do give you the 64 gigabyte card. It's always a really, really nice touch. And it is also nice, you know, to be able to have the camera right in the middle of the windshield due to, you know, the placement of it. So that's also pretty cool. Alright. That's nice 2D Pro right there. All right, that's done. Let's go to my closing remarks. All right, you guys, so time for my closing remarks. So the FitCamX dash cam, this is an excellent product. I really liked how it installs, you know, no messy stuff, no splicing or anything like that. It goes ahead and hooks on into the factory connections. It does have that nice stealth look to it, so no one on the outside can really tell it's there. Also, the quality was great, and the phone connectivity is a big plus. I want to give a big old thanks to FitCamX for sending this out to me. If you guys want more information on this product or to buy this product, go ahead and check out either the Amazon link I have below or the link to their direct website. So with that, guys, this is Rob, and have a good one.